Morning everyone. I am Mayur Patel, ID number 24 DCS 077. Today I will be presenting on the digital lock system using sequential circuit. This system enhances security by using electric authentication method instead of using traditional keys. Let's explore how it works. Now let's take a short overview of this system. A digital lock system is an electronic security mechanism that's unlocked when the correct password is entered. It replaces traditional keys with a secure access control method commonly used in homes, office, ATMs, and smart devices. This system uses flip-flops, registers, and logic gate to store and verify password, and enhancing high security and convenience. So move on the next slide. Now let's talk about definition of a digital lock system. A digital lock system is an electronic lock that relies on a combination of sequential circuits and logic gates. Secure access instead of traditional key. User enter password or the code via keypad to unlock the system, providing higher security and convenience. Now let's talk about its importance in security. Digital lock system enhances security in various applications by offering features such as customizable passwords, audit trails, and alarm system for unauthorized access. Their implementation reduces the risk of unauthorized entry, making them vital in modern security solution. Now let's talk about its real life applications. Digital lock find usage in numerous areas including residential homes, commercial premises, ATM, lockers, and safety deposit boxes. They are increasingly integrated into smart home systems for added convenience and control. Now let's take a short overview of its mechanical working mechanism. The digital lock system works on storing a predefined password in memory. When user enter the code using a keypad, it is compared with the stored password using logic gates and flip-flops. If the input matches, the system activates an unlock signal, otherwise it remains locked or triggered an alert. Now let's talk about user input process. The user enters a password using a keypad or switches. Each digit is stored in shift, register, or flip-flop and processed sequentially. Once the full input is received, the system compares it with the stored password to determine if access should be granted or not. Talk about its comparison logic. Once the password is entered, comparison logic using gates checks the validity of the input against the correct password stored in memory. If the input matches, the system proceeds to unlock, otherwise it triggers a security alert. Procedure of unlocking is if the user input is confirmed, the lock engages a mechanism to disengage, allowing entry. The process is fast, efficient due to the electronic nature of the system, often accompanied by visual and audible confirmation. Let's take an overview of its component and circuit. The digital lock system consists of four main parts: input, memory, processing, and output units. The keypads allow user to enter a password which is stored in flip-flop or shift registers. The system then uses logic gates like X, NOR, and AND to compare the input with the stored password. If they match, an unlock signal activates an LED buzzer or relay on indicate success. Otherwise, the system remains locked or triggers an alert. The setup ensures a secure and efficient locking mechanism. Digital lock system requires several essential components including flip-flops for memory storage, shift register to manage input sequences, and logic gates that perform comparison tasks. Additionally, the system may involve keypads for user input, LEDs for visual feedbacks, and relays or buzzer for unlocking and alerts. The basic circuit diagram provides a visual representation of how the components interact with digital lock. It typically shows the connections between the keypad. It is for input, the memory unit like flip-flops, the comparison logic using gates, and the output mechanism, buzzer or relays. Detailed labels identify each part of the circuit. A truth table for the digital lock outlines how different combination of input relates to the resulting outputs. Each row represents a possible state of the input, showing whether the entered password allows access or denies. This is crucial for understanding the logical operation of the system. Let's take an overview of its advanced features. The digital lock system can be enhanced with advanced features such as multi-attempt lockout to prevent unauthorized access after several failed attempts. It can also support changeable password for added security and integration with biometric systems like fingerprint scanning or RFID for even more secure and personalized access control. Multi-attempt lockout features increases security by temporarily disabling access after a certain number of incorrect password attempts. This discourages unauthorized users from attempting to guess the code and can be programmed to notify the user of potential breaches. Changeable passwords. This feature allows users to modify their access control at any time, enhancing flexibility and security. Users can set a new password based on their preferences, making it easier to maintain security without changing physical locks. Guidelines should be established for strong password creation to maximize security efficiency. Biometric integration feature adding biometrics such as fingerprint or facial recognition allows for heightened security. This integration makes it difficult for unauthorized individuals to gain access and can be complement traditional password system. Biometric feature can also streamline the user experience by enabling quicker entry without required manual input. Now let's take an overview of its challenges and improvements. While digital lock system offers a high security, they come with the challenges like false input, leading to errors, potential security risk if not properly encrypted. The system complexity in design can be also be a barrier. Future improvement could be include AI-based password prediction, biometric authentication for higher accuracy, and cloud control locks to offer remote access and monitoring and ensuring better security and user convenience. Despite their advantages, digital locks are susceptible to hacking, particularly if security protocols aren't rigorously implemented. Risks include password cracking and unauthorized remote access. Regular updates and secure coding practices are essential to migrate these vulnerabilities. The limitation of current system is current digital lock system may face limitations such as dependency on power sources and the potential for mechanism failure. Additionally, it is not encrypted. Storage password could be exposed. Hardware complexity may also deter some users to complicate repairs. The future of digital locks may involve AI for predictive security, smarter control system, and improved biometric sensor. Cloud integration could facilitate remote monitoring while enhancing security protocols will address current challenges, making access more secure and user-friendly. At last, digital lock system represent a significant advancement in security technology, combining traditional locking mechanism with a modern electronic solution. By understanding their components, functionalities, and the challenges they face, user can make informed decision about their security needs. Future developments provide to addressing existing limitation enhances overall efficient, making digital lock an integral part of modern security. Thank you for your attention. I hope you found this presentation on the digital lock system insightful. If you have any question, I will be happy to answer them. Thank you.